Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to iron your shirt using an easy method. First, gather your essential tools: an iron, an ironing board, and a spray bottle for stubborn wrinkles. Always check your shirt's care label to determine the correct fabric type and the appropriate iron temperature setting. If your iron has a steam function, fill it with distilled water to prevent mineral buildup and ensure smooth steaming. Now let's tackle the collar. Lay it flat on the board and iron from the center outwards, ensuring it's perfectly smooth. Next, move to the cuffs. Unbutton them, lay them flat, and iron both the inside and outside surfaces. Pay close attention to these areas, as they are often the most visible parts of your shirt. A crisp collar and cuffs make a big difference. Moving on to the sleeves, lay one sleeve flat on the board, aligning the seams perfectly. Iron from the shoulder down to the cuff, then flip and repeat for the other side. Be careful not to create new creases. Once both sleeves are done, position the shirt's yoke, which is the upper back section, on the narrow end of the board and iron it smoothly. Finally, iron the main body of the shirt. Drape it over the ironing board and work your way around, ironing each panel until it's smooth. Once finished, immediately hang your shirt on a hanger to prevent any new wrinkles from forming. For a truly polished look, ensure every part is crisp. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.